Hello, everybody. How are you? Welcome. In this episode, we have in the additional of this daily newspaper on May the 14th, on Thursday, 2020. We have one Sudoku with 1 star, with 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. So today we have total of 6 Sudokus to solve. Many Sudokus. So let's get started with the first one. A Sudoku with 1 star. Alright, I see a lot of 4s. Can I do with the 4? No, I think I need to wait. How about the 5? No. 7 and the 6. Alright. Let's get started with the which number is difficult to choose. How about the 5? 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there, but I see here 5. No 5 there, 5 should be here. How about yeah. Which number? The 9 in this row, the 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 9 should be here. In the middle row, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. I cannot place the 8 here. We have an 8 there. I cannot place the 8 here because we have an 8 over there. So the 8 should be here. The other 2 numbers are the 7 and the 6. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. I cannot continue with the 8 anymore. How about the these 3 numbers? The missing numbers are the 1, the 7, and the 6. 1, 7, and 6. I see here 6. No 6 there. I see here 7. No 7 there. So 1 box, 1 digit left for the 1. So the other 2 boxes, the 7 and the 6 goes there. 7 and the 6, 7 and the 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. How about these 2 numbers? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. Oh, we have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes and there. How about yeah, the 7 and the 1. Alright. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6s in this 2 boxes. There are 6, no 6s in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there in this row. So we have a 6 over there in that row, the row above. So in the last row, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 6 should be here. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be anymore a 6. This should be a 7, and this should be a 6. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the middle column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there, but I see here 6. No 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Can I do this with another number? No. In the last row, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are the 2, the 5, and the 3. We have the 3 and the 5 here, so no 3 and the 5 there. That means a 1 digit left for the 2. The 3 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. Now I cannot continue with the 5. Need to wait. How about these 3 numbers? The 1 is missing, the 9 is missing, and the 7 is missing. No, I cannot fill this yet. I need more information. How about 8. 4. These 3 numbers, 9, 7, and 3. No. 9, 7, and 3. No. These 3 numbers. Yes. The missing numbers 1, 2, and 3. We have a 1 here. No 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 2 and the 3 are missing. We have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 missing number in this column for the number 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2, 3, and the 1. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait again. How about the 2, 3, and the 7? No. Need to wait. 8, 8. 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And then yes, this big square. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 here. No 2 in these 3 boxes. There are 2. No 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be this one. 1 in this row. 1 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 1 should be here. The other 2 numbers, 7 and the 9, are missing. We have a 7 here. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 8, I believe. Yes. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 4, 7. These three numbers in the middle column, the missing numbers are 1, 2. The 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 7 and a 4. We have a 7 and a 4 here. 4 and a 7. So this cannot be the 7 and the 4 in this box. 1 digit left for the 3. Here we have the 7 and the 4. 7 and the 4. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left. 7 and the 9. No, cannot fill this yet. 7 and the 9. How about these 3 numbers? The 4 is missing. 4, 4. We have a 4 there. First, these 2 numbers. The 3 and the 2. The 2 and the 3. We have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 4, here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 7 and the 9, 7 and the 9, here also 7 and the 9, we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7, this should be the 7, this should be the 9. We have a 7 here, so this cannot be the 7. This should be the 7, and this should be the 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. Then how about these 2 numbers in the second column? The missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. No, 1 and the 5. 1 and a 5, 5, 5. Yes, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. Now we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes here. Finish in 30 minutes. Alright, for a Sudoku with a 1 star. Do you like this Sudoku? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video. I will see you soon in a minute with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with a 2 stars. Thank you and bye-bye.